Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today, in our third video in the I-55 series, we begin at mile marker 48 in Tangipahoa Parish, Louisiana, heading north. Exit 50 provides access to Louisiana Highway 1048, which leads to the towns of Roseland and Arcola, both of which are on our right along US Highway 51. During the 1953 yellow fever epidemic in New Orleans, several Italian families moved up to this area and settled in what is now Arcola, named for a small commune in the province of Verona, Italy, albeit with an anglicized spelling. Just to the south of Arcola is the town of Roseland, which had an estimated population of 1,262 as of 2019. Roseland was the birthplace of late Cajun chef and comedian Justin Wilson. Current Louisiana Governor John Bel Edwards lived in Roseland in 2015 when he was first elected governor. At exit 53, we see Louisiana Highway 10, which crosses the entire state from Mississippi to Texas. This exit accesses the unincorporated community of Pfluger to the east and the more distant town of Greensburg to the west, over in St. Helena Parish. Greensburg is one of the oldest towns in this part of Louisiana, with two 19th century properties listed on the National Register of Historic Places. Greensburg had an estimated population of 652 as of 2019. Greensburg was the home of Doris Lindsay Holland Rhodes, who was the first woman to serve in the Louisiana legislature from 1936 to 1948, serving first as a state senator for most of a 4-year term, and then as a state representative for 8 years. Exit 57 connects to Louisiana Highway 440 in the village of Tangipahoa to the east, which had a population of 853 as of 2019. We enter the town of Kentwood, known around Louisiana for its spring water, and known everywhere else as the hometown of controversial Princess of Pop, Britney Spears, and her less controversial little sister, actress Jamie Lynn Spears. Kentwood had an estimated population of 2,436 as of 2019. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. After 66 miles on I-55 in Louisiana, we cross into Pike County, Mississippi, named for explorer Zebulon Pike. Pike County covers 411 square miles and had an estimated population of 39,563 as of 2018. The first exit in Mississippi, Exit 1, provides access to State Highway 584 and the town of Osika to the east, which had an estimated population of 411 as of 2019. We conclude today's video at mile marker 6. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.